Let me show you how to use the intermittent fasting tracker inside of MyFitnessPal. So if you're trying to start intermittent fasting, you can use the exact feature that is available inside of MyFitnessPal. Now, before we begin, let me clarify that in order for you to use this feature, you need to have a premium subscription of MyFitnessPal. Only if you have the premium subscription, you'll be able to use this feature inside of MyFitnessPal. So what you simply do is tap on the more option on the bottom and then head over to the intermittent fasting option. Now, if you do not have the premium version, you're going to see a similar screen. But however, if you have the premium version, you can simply select and set the fasting hours as 12, 14 or 16, depending upon how long of a fasting window that you want. Apart from the fasting window, what you can also do is start and stop your fasting window. You can simply track it. So whenever you started your intermittent fasting, you can tap on the start option, and when it's done, you can also have the option of stopping it. So using this exact section, you'll be able to use the intermittent fasting tracker inside of MyFitnessPal. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.